To buy a domain and hosting, follow these steps. 1. Choose a domain name. The first step is to choose a domain name that you want to use for your website. 1. This should be a unique and memorable name that reflects your brand or website's purpose. 2. Check domain availability. Once you have a domain name in mind, check if it's available for registration. 2. You can use any domain registrar website such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, Bluehost, or Google Domains to check availability. 3. Select a hosting provider. Once you have your domain name, you need a hosting provider to store your website files and make it accessible online. 3. There are many hosting providers to choose from, including Bluehost, HostGator, SiteGround, and many others. 4. Choose a hosting plan. Select a hosting plan that suits your needs, taking into consideration factors such as website traffic, storage, and bandwidth. 5. Complete the purchase. Once you've selected your domain and hosting provider, complete the purchase by following the provider's instructions. 6. Connect your domain and hosting. Once your domain and hosting are set up, you'll need to connect them. 6. You can do this by updating your domain's name servers to point to your hosting provider. That's it. Your website is now up and running. WordPress install? Sure, here are the general steps to follow to buy a domain and hosting. 1. Determine your needs. Consider the purpose of your website and what features you'll need from your hosting provider. 1. This will help you choose a hosting plan that's appropriate for your needs. 2. Choose a domain name. Your domain name is the address people will use to find your website, so choose a name that's memorable and relevant to your brand. 2. You can use a domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap to search for, purchase a domain name. 3. Choose a hosting provider. There are many web hosting providers to choose from, so do some research and compare their features and pricing. 3. Some popular hosting providers include Bluehost, HostGator, and SiteGround. 4. Choose a hosting plan. Once you've chosen a hosting provider, select a hosting plan that fits your needs. 4. Hosting plans may vary based on features such as storage, bandwidth, and server type. 5. Register your domain. After you've purchased your domain name, you'll need to register it with your hosting provider. 5. This will ensure that your domain is linked to your hosting account. 6. Install a website platform. Many hosting providers offer one-click installs for popular website platforms like WordPress, Drupal, or Joomla. 6. These platforms will allow you to create and manage your website without needing to know how to code. 7. Build your website. Once your hosting and website platform are set up, you can start building your website. 7. You can use templates, plugins, and themes to customize your website and create a unique look and feel. 8. Publish your website. Once your website is ready, you can publish it so that it's live on the internet. 8. You can also promote your website through social media, email marketing, and other channels to increase your online presence. Sure, I can guide you through the process of installing WordPress. Here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Download WordPress. The first step is to download the latest version of WordPress from the official website. 1. You can download the zip file from here, https://wordpress.org/download/. 2. Extract the zip file. Once the download is complete, extract the contents of the zip file to a folder on your computer. 3. Create a database. WordPress requires a database to store all your content. 3. You can create a new database using your web hosting control panel. 3. Note down the database name, username, password, and host name as you'll need these details later. 4. Upload the WordPress files. Use an FTP client to upload the extracted files to your web hosting server. 4. You can upload the files to the root directory or a subdirectory of your website, depending on your preferences. 5. Configure the wp-config.php file. WordPress needs to connect to the database to work correctly. 5. Open the wp-config-sample.php file in a text editor and enter your database details. 5. Save the file as wp-config.php. 6. Run the installation script, open your web browser, and navigate to the URL where you uploaded the WordPress files. 6. You should see the WordPress installation screen. 6. Follow the instructions to set up your site, including the site title, administrator username, password, and email address. 7. Log into WordPress. Once the installation is complete, you can log into the WordPress dashboard using the administrator username and password you set up earlier. 7. From here, you can customize your site, install themes and plugins, and add content. That's it. You now have a fully functional WordPress site ready to be customized and populated with your content. Theme choose, install theme, activate. I assume you are asking about how to choose, install, and activate a theme for a website. Here are the basic steps. 1. Choose a theme. You can find free and premium themes from various sources such as the official WordPress theme repository, third-party marketplaces, and individual theme developers. 1. When choosing a theme, consider factors such as design, functionality, compatibility with your website platform, and support. 2. Install the theme. Once you have chosen a theme, you need to install it on your website. 2. The steps for installation may vary depending on the platform you are using. 2. For WordPress, you can go to the Appearance section in the dashboard, click on Themes, and then click on the Add New button to upload and install the theme. 2. For other platforms, you can refer to their documentation for instructions. 3. Activate the theme. After the theme is installed, you need to activate it to make it the default theme for your website. 3. In WordPress, you can go to the Appearance section in the dashboard, click on Themes, and then click on the Activate button for the theme you want to use. 3. Again, for other platforms, you can refer to their documentation for instructions. Once you have installed and activated the theme, you may need to customize it to fit your specific needs. This could include things like changing the color scheme, adding or removing sections, and configuring settings. Many themes come with built-in customization options, but you can also use plugins and custom code to make more advanced modifications.